Hola amigos, ¿qué pasó? Yeah, today I'll show you how to open the door on the Freightliner 2012 if you lock up the keys inside. So that's all you need. Piece of wire. Yeah, you can use the shorter one on or any hanger. So the size of it, it's the size of two fingers. So don't make the longer one. So it's 2 fingers again. Alright, and I like the handle, so you know it's easy to handle. Alright, let's do it. So what I want to do, this is the door button and this thing's with the yellow, so I'm gonna put the hook right on it and just lift it up. Alright, now alright, I lock up the door, so you're gonna push this button up from inside. So lock up, just pull the rubber things, and now you can see through the glass, and so you're gonna try to catch up with those I don't know, the pull lever with the rubber, so yellow plastic down there. So what do you want to do? Just go like that. This is right here. And wherever you'll be able to see what you're doing inside. Alright, see the yellow thing, the plastic things, and alright. There is a glass rail, so I have to go behind it. There you go. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, the hook is size like 2 fingers, and it's all straight up. You don't need much wire, just need probably like a 1.5 feet wire. Yeah, but it will take a couple of tries at least, and you better use the flashlight. You really be able to see through the windows. This freaking thingy. Yeah, it's easy from here. This is it. But the problem is there's a glass. You have to go behind the railing. So you have to pass it and then lift it. It's already lifted. Yep. You have to go behind the railing. Alright, so you have to just put it down, twist it, and find this freaking thing right there. Right there. There we go. Yeah, good luck, and you better just wait when the window is up. Just try to clean up the glass and pull this freaking thing out. Don't try from the top, you're gonna destroy the gasket. No, always from here. So it's located right over here. Yeah, try it. Or cut a couple of more keys and just keep it in the engine compartment or inside the truck. Alright, good luck. I hope this video will help somebody.